16-year-old gone missing in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated and a search is on for 16-year-old Misha Cooper of Hatfield District, Smithfield. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated and a search is on for 16-year-old Misha Cooper of Hatfield District, Smithfield, Westmoreland, who has been missing since Tuesday, August 27. She is of brown complexion, medium built, and about 152 centimeters or 5 feet tall. Reports from Lamar police are that at around 2:15 p.m., Misha was last seen at home dressed in a pink blouse, grey tights, and black slippers. She has not been seen or heard from since. All attempts to contact her have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Misha Cooper is being asked to contact the Black River Police at 876-965-2232, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.